Hello, dear friends. My name is Krishna Sangam. I welcome you, all of you, to our beautiful channel. Connect to this physics chapter or related to BHEAD, CET, TET. If you are watching my video for the first time, please like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get new videos from our YouTube channel. Dear friends, already I have uploaded some videos in my channel. Please go through my YouTube channel and share your friends. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಂಗಮ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಟಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಟಿ ಇ ಟಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ related science questions for CTET and TET exam. The first question is like this: which of the following is responsible for the color of our eyes? Option A iris, option B pupil, option C cornea, option D rods. Now the answer is iris. The correct answer is option A is the right answer. Let's move on to the second question. A person standing in front of a mirror finds his image thinner but with normal height. The mirror in question is, the options is like this: A concave and spherical, option B convex and spherical, option C convex and cylindrical with axis vertical, option D convex and cylindrical with axis horizontal. So the right answer is option A is the correct answer, concave and spherical. You can see third question. The image of an object formed by a device is always virtual and small. The device in question is, options is like this: option A concave lens, option B concave mirror, option C convex lens, option D glass plate. The right answer is option A is the correct answer, that is concave lens. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Focal length of the eye lens, which enables us to see the object at varying distances, is controlled and changed by option A retina, option B ciliary muscles, option C choroid, option D vitreous humour. For this question, the right answer is B ciliary muscles. Then we move on to the fifth question, that is, which of the following is not the case with the image formed by plane mirror? Option A, it is erect, option B, it is virtual, option C, it is diminished, option D, it is at the same distance as the object. So the right answer is option C, it is diminished. For sixth question, a man cannot see an object distinctly at a distance less than 1 meter. He is suffering from. For this question, the right answer is option D, hypermetropia. Let's move on to the sixth question. We have completed sixth question. Let's move on to the seventh question. The seventh question is like this: the number of oscillations per second is measured in option A meter, option B per meter, option C hertz, option D decibel. The right answer is option C is the hertz. Then we move on to the next question, that is eighth question. Loudness of sound is proportional to options A frequency, option B amplitude, C both A and B, option D neither A nor B. For this question, the right answer is option B is the correct answer, that is amplitude. For ninth question, SONAR is used for option A measuring distance, direction and velocity of objects in water, option B measuring distance, direction and velocity of object in air, option C measuring distance and direction of objects in water, option D measuring direction and velocity of objects in air. For this question, the right answer is A measuring distance, direction and velocity of object in water. Then we move on to the 10th question. When a loud sound is produced in an empty hall, the same sound is heard again after some time. What is this phenomenon called? Option A, reflection. Option B, echo. Option C, Shrillness. Option D, none of these. The right answer is, that is, option B is the correct answer, echo. Next we move on to the 11th question. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1 like this. Option A, acceleration. B, force. Option C, work done. D, impulse. List number 2, joule, Newton second, Newton, meter per second square. For acceleration, meter per second square. For force, Newton. Work done, joule. Impulse, Newton second. The right answer is C. A 4, B 3, C 1, D 2. Let's move on to the 12th question. Ampere is the unit of, option A, current electricity. Option B, magnetic field. Option C, electric charge. Option D, resistance. Which is the correct answer for this question? The correct answer is called option A, current electricity is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 13th question. What is the SI unit of Young's modulus of electricity? A option, Dyne per centimeter. B option, Newton per meter. C option, Newton per meter square. D option, meter square per second. Which is the correct answer for this question? The right answer is option C, Newton per meter square. Let's move on to the 14th question. The question is like this. What is the SI unit of pressure? ಒತ್ತಡದ ಮೂಲಮಾನ ಯಾವುದು? Option A, Pascal. Option B, Dyne. Option C, Newton. Option D, Joule. The right answer is option A, Pascal. Let's move on to the 15th question. The question is like this. Curie is the unit of dash. Option A, temperature. Option B, radioactivity. Option C, heat. Option D, energy. Which is the right answer for Curie of SI unit? That is radioactivity. Option B is the correct answer for 15th question. Now let's move on to the 16th question. The question is like this. Decibel is the unit of, decibel the ಮೂಲಮಾನ ಯಾವುದು? Option A, speed of light. Option B, intensity of sound. Option C, intensity of heat. Option D, none of these. So which is the correct answer? The right answer is option B, intensity of sound. Let's move on to the 17th question. In the relation alpha is equal to beta t plus gamma, alpha and gamma are measured in meter and t is measured in second. ಟೈಮ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದ SI ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಲ್ಫಾ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ, ಅಲ್ಫಾದ ಮೂಲಮಾನ ಯಾವುದು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಮೀಟರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 17th ಕ್ವಶನ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ is the meter per second is the correct answer. Let's move on to the 18th question. The question is like this. Temperature can be expressed as derived quantity in terms of any of the following. Option A, length and mass. Option B, mass and time. Option C, length, mass and time. D, none of these. So which is the right answer? The right answer is option D, none of these. Then we move on to the 19th question. One astronomical unit is the average distance between. ಒಂದು astronomical unitನ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ, ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಹದಿಂದ ಯಾವುದಿಂದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ಅರ್ತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೂನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೂಟೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸನ್. The right answer is option A, earth and the sun. Let's move on to the 20th question. Which of the following physical quantities have the same dimensions? Option A, angular momentum and work. Option B, work and torque. Option C, potential energy, linear momentum. D, kinetic energy, velocity. The right answer is that is option B, work and torque. Friends, let's move on to the next question. Which instrument is used to measure sound under water? ನೀರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅಳೆಯುವ ಮಾಪನ ಅದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್, ಹೈಗ್ರೋಮೀಟರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಹೈಗ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಇಪ್ಸೋಮೀಟರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಫೋನ್. The right answer is for this question, the option is D, that is hydrophone. Next we move on to the 22 question. Which instrument is used to measure pressure of gases? A, manometer. B, matchmeter. C, magnetometer. D, micrometer. The right answer is the right answer is manometer. That is option A is the right answer, manometer. Next we move on to the 23rd question. Which instrument is used to measure heat radiation? A, radar. B, salinometer. C, refractometer. D, radio micrometer. The right answer is option C, radio micrometer. 24th question. Which instrument is used to measure strength of direct current? A, stroboscope. B, stereoscope. C, tangent galvanometer. D, tachometer. The right answer is called tangent galvanometer. Option C is the correct answer for this question. Let's move on to the 25th question. ಕೆ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಮಿಲನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್. ಕೆ ಮೈಕಲ್ ಮಿಲನ್ ಅವರು ಏನನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ತಂದವರು? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಬೈಸಿಕಲ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾರೋಮೀಟರ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಷಿನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ centigrade scale. Which is the right answer for this question? The right answer is option A is the correct answer, that is bicycle. Then we move on to the next question, 26th question. Radian is used to measure A option temperature, B option intensity of flame, C option pressure, D option angle. The right answer is angle. Let's move on to the next question, that is 27th. Alfred Nobel is invented. Alfred Nobel ಅವರು ಏನನ್ನು ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ತಂದವರು? A, X-ray. B, diesel engine. C, dynamite. D, dynamo. Which is the right answer for this question? The exact answer is C option is the correct, dynamite. Then next question is David Hughes invented A, machine gun. B, microphone. C, microscope. D, motorcycle. The right answer is that is microphone. Let's move on to the 29th question. The question is like this. Marie and Pierre Curie invented. Both are invented. Which is the right? The options is A option radio. Option B radium. Option C radar. Option D refrigerator. The right answer is called radium. Then we move on to the 30th question, that is 30th. Alexander Graham Bell invented. Option A telephone. Option B telescope. Option C television. Option D tank. Which is the right answer for this question? The exact answer is that is telephone. Thank you my dear friends. You all understand these videos. It is completely related to physics. Those who have completed, those who are from physics background, they can understand what I teach now. Those who are preparing for CET, completely related about physics subject. Thank you one and all to watch my video. Please share your friends and subscribe my channel to get my more videos in my channel. Thank you.